let's go to page 62 and start with number 20. Okay, so it says in the diagram shown on right, and so you have this picture, and this is L, P, N, and this is 11x minus 9, and this is 5x plus 5. Okay, so it says the measure of angle LMN equal to 140 degrees, and you're looking for measure of angle PMN. Okay, so LMN, here's the M. So it's this angle right over here. Okay, so that means 11x minus 9 plus 5x plus 5 equal to 140. Right? LMN is 140. So let's solve for x, and then after we can find that. Okay, so this is this angle, this is this angle. So add this together, you get 16x minus 4 equal to 140. Okay, plus 4 plus 4. So 16x equal to 144. Divide by 16, divide by 16. So x will equal to, get your calculator. So 144 divided by 16 equal to 9. So once you find x equal to 9, now you can go and look for angle PMN. Okay, so PMN is, so you got, so angle, measure of angle PMN equal to 5x plus 5. So substitute this into here. Okay, just work it out. Okay, let's not get lazy. So measure of angle PMN equal to 50. And for your final answer, remember to put down the degree symbol. Okay. Okay, number 21. Okay, it says a VZ bisect. Okay, so let's go and do this. So VZ bisects UVW. So UVW. So sometimes you have to read the question, the statement carefully to draw the picture. Okay, and this bisect, that means these two are congruent. Okay. Okay, so again, so that's the picture, and then it says measure of angle UVZ. So UVZ, this is equal to 81 degree. Well, if this is bisect, so two angles are equal. So if this is 81, this would be 81 also. Okay. And it says find, so you're looking for measure of angle UVW and classify. Okay, well, UVW is going to be, so this will equal to, would be 2 times 81 or 81 plus 81. So either way, so 81 plus 81. So a measure of angle UVW equal to 162 degrees. So when you're doing a calculation, you don't have to put a label, but for your final answer, make sure you put the degree symbol over there. Okay. And you have to classify, so this is obtuse. Okay. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, number 22. It says angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angle. So right away, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so that's what it means. So you have to know the definition of complementary angle. Okay, so number 22 is a measure of angle 1 equal to 12. So you substitute, and you're looking for measure of angle 2. Okay, so substitute. So whatever you substitute, put in parentheses, and then you minus 12 on either side. So measure of angle 2 equal to 78 degrees. Okay, and that would be your answer. Okay, 23 it's the same thing. So you got measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equal to 90 degrees. And angle 1 equal to 83 degrees. So substitute. So minus 83 minus 83. So measure of angle 2 equal to 7 degrees. Okay. Now if you want to be technically correct, you can just put it a bit simple like that. Okay. If you want to be more technical. Okay, 24. So again, measure angle 1 equal to 46 degrees. So you got 46 degrees plus measure of angle 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so minus 46 degrees minus 46 degrees. So measure of angle 2 equal to 44 degrees. Okay, 25. Okay, measure of angle 1 equal to 2 degrees. So you got 2 degrees plus measure of angle 2 equal to 90 degrees minus 2 degrees on both sides. So measure of angle 2 equal to 88 degrees. Okay. Okay, 26. Okay, angle 3 and angle 4 is supplementary angle. That means measure of angle 3 plus measure angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. That's what supplementary angle means. Okay, so for number 26, measure angle 3 equal to 116. So 116 degrees plus measure angle 4 equal to 180 minus 116 on both sides. Okay, so measure angle 4 will equal to 64 degrees. Okay. Okay, 27. Angle 3 equal to 56 degrees. So you got 56 degrees plus measure of angle 4 equal to 180 degrees minus 56. This one looks kind of bad. I'm going to write it better. Yeah. So minus 56 degrees on both sides. So measure angle 4 equal to 124 degrees. Okay, 28. Angle 3 equal to 89 degrees. So we got 89 degrees plus measure angle 4 equal to 180 degrees minus 89 degrees on both sides. So measure angle 4 equal to 91 degrees. Okay, 29. Measure angle 3 equal to 12 degrees. So you got 12 degrees plus measure of angle 4 equal to 180 degrees minus 12 degrees on both sides. So measure angle 4 equal to 168 degrees. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it says angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angle right away. So that's, you got to write down the definition of the complementary angle. So equal to 90 degrees. Okay, find the measure of the angle when measure of angle 1. So you can write down all the given. Measure of angle 1 equal to x minus 10 degrees. Measure of angle 2 equal to 2x plus 40 degrees. Okay, and you're looking for each one of these. Okay, well, before you can find angle 1 or angle 2, you have to get the x first. So let's substitute this into here. So you got x minus 10 degrees plus 2x plus 40 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so again, when you're doing the calculation, the degree is just kind of annoying, so you can just forget about that until the end. So this one you're going to get, so you combine the like terms, so you're going to get 3x plus 30 equal to 90, minus 30 on both sides. So you got 3x equal to 60 divided by 3 divided by 3, so x equal to 20. So once you find x equal to 20, we can go and find both angles. So measure of angle 1 equal to x minus 10. So measure of angle 1 equal to 20 minus 10. So measure of angle 1 equal to 10 degrees. So you can just not worry about the label, the degree until the end. Okay, measure angle 2. Now you can use this formula or you can just use this, right? Okay, so since this is 10, this will equal to 80 degrees. Okay, because they are complementary angle, right? 10 and 80 give you 90. Or you can substitute into here. So 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 20 is 40 plus 40 give you 80. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 31. Okay, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle, so that means equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And measure angle 1 equal to 3x plus 50 degrees. Measure of angle 2 equal to 4x plus 32 degrees. Okay, so again, let's substitute this into here. So you got 3x plus 50 plus 4x plus 32 equal to 180. Again, I'm doing the calculation. I'm just going to drop all the degree. Okay. Okay, combine the like terms, so just 7x plus 82 equal to 180. Minus 82 on both sides. So I got 7x equal to 98. Divided by 7, divided by 7. So x equal to 14. Okay. Okay, so now let's go and substitute into here. So measure of angle 1 equal to 3 times 14 plus 50. Measure angle 1 equal to 42 plus 50. So measure of angle 1 equal to 92 degrees. Okay. Now again, you can substitute this into here or just use this one. I would like to use this one a little bit faster. So 180 minus 92, so measure of angle 2 equal to 88 degrees. Okay. So again, they have to add up equal to 180. So just 180 minus that, you get that. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 32. Okay, so you have this picture, and you got 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. It's a classify the polygon by the number of sides till whether it's equilateral, equiangular, or regular. So this is equilateral, it's also equiangular. Because of that, this is a regular. Okay. And let's see what else. Okay. Yeah. So this is regular because it's equilateral. It's also equiangular. So when you combine that, you get regular. Okay. Number 33. So you have. Okay, so this is equiangular because all 4 angles are congruent, but the sides are not congruent. Okay, because this is 2.5 and this is 1 meter. Okay, so this is oh, okay, you have to tell which one. So this is regular triangle, and this is equiangular, because all four angles are congruent. So equiangular quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, number 34. Okay, so this one, this have 8 sided, so it's octagon, and all the sides are congruent. So this is equilateral. Equilateral octagon. Okay. Okay, let's go to 35. Okay, so it's pentagon ABCD is a regular polygon. Okay, so you got 5 sided, so this is a regular polygon. So I'm just going to label A, B, C, D, E. And the length of BC, so this length of BC is represented by the expression 5x minus 4. And DE, this side over here, represented by 2x plus 11. And find the length of AB. Okay. Okay. Well, this is a regular polygon. It means all sides are congruent. So that means these are congruent to each other. So it means 5x minus 4 will equal to 2x plus 11. So minus 2x on each side. So you got 3x minus 4 equal to 11 plus 4 on each side. So you got 3x equal to 15 divided by 3 divided by 3. So x equal to 5. So once you find x equal to 5, you can use any one of these. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So 2x plus 11 is equal to 2 times 5. Well, let's insert 2, but let's go and do this. Okay, since all 5 sides are equal, so AB will equal to 2x plus 11. Or you can equal to this, doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to use this one because I don't like the subtraction. So AB will equal to 2 times 5 plus 11. So AB equal to 10 plus 11. So AB equal to 21. Okay. Okay. Let's go to page 63, number 36. Okay, it's a circle with a diameter of 15.6. So diameter equal to 15.6 meters. And you're looking for the perimeter and the area. Okay. Okay, so perimeter equal to 2 pi r or equal to pi d. Depends on if diameter or radius given. So perimeter equal to pi times 15.6 and nearest tenth. Okay, so you have to run it up to nearest tenth. So get your calculator. Okay, looking for my pi button. Not here. Okay, so 15.6 times pi equal, so nearest tenth, so this would be 49.0 meters. Okay. Now the area will equal to pi r squared. So area equal to pi. Now r radius, since the diameter is given, so to find r you have to use 15.6 divided by 2. Okay. So diameter divided by 2 will give you the radius, and you have to square that. Okay, so when you use calculator, you have to be careful. So you have to go 15.6 divided by 2. Okay, now you have to push equal. Okay, push equal. Then you square that. Okay, then you square that. Push equal. I just push a lot of equal just to be safe. Times by pi. Push equal. So area equal to 191.1 the label is meter square. Because this is meter, so meter times meter give you meter square. Okay. Now I use a pi as the function over here. If you use 3.14, you're going to end up with 191.0. So either one is fine. But this is more accurate. Okay. Okay, number 37, a rectangle with length, and so length equal to 4.5 inch, width equal to 2.5 inch. Okay, so again, so the perimeter equal to all four sides. So if this is 4.5, and this would be also 2.5. So the perimeter will equal to 4.5 plus 2.5 plus 4.5 plus 2.5. So use your calculator, you add all this together. So this will give you 14 inch. Okay. Now the area equals to base times height, or the length times width. So it will be 4.5 times 2.5. And again, use your calculator and you work it out and run it off to the nearest tenth. You get 11.3 inch square. Okay. Okay, 38. Okay, a triangle. Okay, so this one we have to kind of have to sketch it out. So, okay, I'm gonna need to sketch it out to kind of have a better idea. Okay, so this is the U at 1, 2, and V is at -8. Just kind of right off on the edge. Okay, so -8, 2. Okay, so this is V, -8, 2. Sometimes if you feel you messed up, you can erase and redo the graph, okay? And then the W is -4, 6. So this is your triangle. Again, if you use graph paper, you can see that the base is going to be equal to 9. You can just count the square, or you can just use the x2 minus x1. Okay, the height is this right over here. Okay, again, you can look at use the graph paper. You can see the height equal to 4. Okay, use your graph paper. You can graph. So h equal to 4, base equal to 9. Okay. Okay. So let's do the area first because that's the easy one. So area is 1/2 base times height. So area equal to 1/2. The base is 9, height is 4. So area equal to 18. And does have any label? No. Okay. So that's the easy one. Okay. Now, the length is a bit harder. Okay. So you have to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So from here to here, so you can break down these, right? Again, it's much easier if you, on a graph paper, you can use a graph paper, okay? So this is 5 over here, and this is 4 right over here, okay? So you have to find all the length. So VW equal to square root of, we already have the 4 here, so it'll be 4 square plus the 4 square. Okay, so VW equal to square root of 16 plus 16. VW equal to square root of 32. VW equal to, so the calculator. So it'd be 5.657. Okay, notice I carry extra digits. Okay, so you want to carry extra digit until the end. Okay. Before you run it off to one decimal place. Okay, before you run to nearest tenth. Okay, so technically I have to do that. So to run up to the nearest tenth, you have to get extra digit. Okay, until the end. So now that's going to do the WU. Okay, so this would be equal to the 4 square. I'm using the Pythagorean theorem, right? 4 square plus 5 square will equal to that square. And so again, that's your distance formula. So you got 16 plus 25, WU equal to square root of 41. Okay, so WU equal to 6.403. Okay, so now we can find the parameter. So parameter will equal to this side, so it's equal to 9 plus this side 5.657 plus this side 6.403. So the parameter will equal to, so let's get calculator. Okay. So 9 plus 5.657 plus 6.403 equal. Now this is when you run it off to the nearest tenth. So this is equal to 21.1. Okay. That's your answer. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 39. The height of the triangle. So the height of the triangle is 18.6. And the area equal to 46.5 square meters, and find the length of the base. Okay, so again, let's start with the formula. Okay, it's always a good idea to start with the formula. So area equal to 1/2 base times height. Okay, next, go and substitute whatever you know. So 46.5. Again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. Equal to 1/2. Now you don't put this in parentheses because you didn't substitute that, right? And the height is 18.6. Okay, let's get rid of parentheses. Let's work it out. So 46.5 equal to, now you multiply this, it will give you 9.3 B. Now divide by 9.3 on both sides. So B equal to 46.5 divided by 9.3, okay, equal to 5 meters. Okay. Okay, number 40. Okay, the area of the circle, so you got circle, so area equal to 320 square meters. Find the radius of the circle, okay, and the circumference. And run your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, well first let's go and find the radius. So again, start with your formula, right? The A is giving, so let's go and area of a circle equal to pi r squared. Okay, let's go and substitute. So area is 320 equal to pi r squared. Okay, so I'm going to divide by pi on both sides. So this will cancel out. Now there's a button on the calculator. Don't use 3.14. Just use a pi on the calculator. It give you a little bit more accuracy. So 320 divided by pi equal. Okay. So you got r squared equal to 101.859. Okay. Now don't erase. Just use that calculator and you take the square root of that. Okay. So you go second. That means square root and square root of the answer. Equal, okay, so r equal to the nearest tenth. Okay, so this will give you 10.1. meters. Okay. Now, once you find r, now you can find the circumference, right? You can start with your formula. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. So circumference equal to 2 pi times 10.1. So since I already have this number, I'm just going to use that number. It's more accurate. So it's just going to times by 2 times by pi. So times by 2 times by pi equal, so circumference equal to 63.4 meters. Okay.